Let's say you have many clients and you wanted to categorize them into different categories. For example, tier 1, tier 2, or you could say gold, diamond, silver, whatever. In Xenett, there is a feature where you can add a custom field so that you can categorize your client. Here is how you can do that. So go to setting and then click on client properties, click on add custom field, give a name to that field. We're gonna call it type, and then choose the field type. So in our case, it's gonna be drop down because we have different values from which we will be selecting it. So now I'm gonna say tier 1, I'm gonna say tier 2, and I'm gonna say tier 3. We can give a good color, that's an optional thing, and then you just create it. Right, just like this. Let's just say you wanted to add some more field, you can also do that. Same thing, create new. You have different field options. So if you wanted to add a date field to track the next price revision date, you can do that. You can add a number field. So these are different field type. For now, we have just added this type field. So when we go back to the client list, we will now see that column added at the end, which I'm gonna bring it next to the client name because that's where it's relevant. So now I'm gonna say this client is actually tier 1, this client is actually tier 2, this client kind of it's tier 3. So that way you now have a very like visibility about your client list. Further, to make sense out of it, you can actually also create some new view. You can call it like tier 1, and then I'm gonna say save. In this particular view, you can further filter it just to show the tier 1 type, and then just click on apply. So next time, if you just want to only look at the tier 1 client, you just simply click on it and you'll now only be able to see the clients with tier 1. So here is how you can add custom field, and here is how you can also create new views.